channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do the split with poses that will help open hips and help you more comfortable in the split pose. So let's get started. So the first pose I'd like to show us today is called Black pose. So what this pose does is that it helps to open up the hips and just release small tension around the hips. So you want to do this when you're all warmed up and when you're all ready to start. So first of all, while you're in cobbler's pose, grab your toes together to yourself. Now push your knees and sway to that side for one more push. And then next we're going to push and hold 3, 2, 1. And then we'll go to the other pose. 1, 2, and 3. This is half pigeon. So you want to be in downward facing dog. Take the right foot up and come into half pigeon. So what this does is another hip opener. So you're just going to stay in half pigeon for a while. Walk it. Adjust yourself properly as needed. You can go all the way down. Just be here. And then you can repeat for the other side too. Repeat for the other side. Stay in it. Go down. And then come into double pigeon. So double pigeon, you want to twist your legs together. A very excellent hip opener, by the way, guys. Double pigeon is very good if you have very tight hips and if you're trying to, open up and create more space. So stay in it. To go in deeper, just fall all the way down to your mat. And come back up. And now we want to try another one, which is half split. So half split, you want to make sure that your leg is just feeling a little bit of the tension as though you're going all the way down, but not really. Just hold it. Stay in half split and come up. Then repeat for the same thing on the right. Half split. Stay in half split. And the last pose we're going to be doing before we try the split is frog pose. So in frog pose, you want to try to open up your legs, open it, and go all the way down to the mat. So you could push your weight backwards to feel the effect more, or you could just hold it. You can stay in frog pose for as long as you want, but it's excellent hip opener and a very good warm-up for the inner thighs. So after frog pose, we come back to the mat and get ready to go into full split. Are you good? So let's get started. So in doing the full split, you want to adjust yourself, not to hurt yourself. So how I like to do for beginners is that I like to drop my knees, my right knee on the mat, and while my left heel is just on the mat. So I keep stretching because my hip is all warmed up and all opened right now. So I'm going to try to go all the way down. So my knees going to the back and my heels going forward. You just come all the way down and that's it. It's easier when you're all warmed up and when you're all good. So you just try to adjust, try to see, stay in it. And one thing that will make you get your splits faster is more practice. So you keep doing the beginner poses and you keep practicing the hip opening poses. It's going to help you. So once you're done with the left, you come back and switch sides. Let's go all the way down. Let your toes be on the floor. Point your toes, and that's it. So guys, remember to keep practicing and remember to check out my the links of other videos down below. Leave a comment, tell me what you think about this video, and I'll see you in other videos. Bye bye for now. Mwah.